extra examples from section 6.3, number 10 on Monopoly. So in the board game Monopoly, one way to get out of jail is to roll doubles. How likely is it that someone in jail would roll doubles on his first, second, or third attempt? If this was the only way to get out of jail, how many turns would it take on average? So we are going to let y be defined as the number of rolls it takes to get doubles, so a, and we want to find, for this example, we want to find the probability that y equals 3. So find the probability that it takes 3 turns to roll doubles. Y equals 3. So we would just do, if we use the formula 1 minus p to the k minus 1, the probability, what's the probability you don't roll doubles? What's 1 minus p? 5, 6. So we want to do that basically twice, and then we want success on the third roll, so that'd be 1 6 to the 1. And that's basically how you would, that's the probability you would roll doubles on the third. You would not on the first 2 rolls. You would not, and then you would. So if you do that, you should get about 0.116, or you do on your calculator, if you go to the second VARS geometric PDF, what would you enter there? The parameters are P and K. P is the probability of success, so it would be 1/6, and the K is the number of trials, so this should give you the same answer. And then for part B, we're asking the probability it takes more than 3 turns to roll doubles. So we could do, what we want to do is, if we want to use our calculator, we would say 1 minus the probability that y is less than equal to 3. So that way we can do this. This would be the fastest way. Geometric CDF, and then you would label what you're putting in. Probability equals 1/6 of success. Number of trials we want less than equal to is 3, so you'd say k equals 3. And so you could do it that way, or you could do, you could also do this. You could do the probability that it takes greater than 3 rolls is the same as the probability that you don't get doubles 3 times in the first 3 trials. So you could also go like this without using formula. No doubles the first 3 attempts. So what would that probability be? Yes, you would just do 5 6 to the third. So let me say that again. The probability it takes more than 3 rolls to get doubles is the probability that you don't on the first 3. That's supposed to be a 3. So it would just be 5 6 to the third. So you could do it that way. You could use your calculator, or you could use the formula, but it's going to take this much work, but I'm going to write it anyway so that you have 3 different ways. So here's the first way, here's the second way, here's the third way. You could do, bless you, 1 minus the probability y less than equal to 3. You could go like this, 1 minus, so using, this is good practice using the formula, 5 6 to the second times 1 6 plus 5 6 to the 1 times 1 6 plus 5 6 to the 0 times 1 6. And those should all, so you should get about 0.5787. So there's about a 58% chance, about 58% of the time it would take more than 2 attempts to roll doubles to get out of jail.